Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about mobile gaming, if you crave that buttery smooth performance and want to squeeze every last drop of potential out of your Android device, then you've landed on the perfect video. Today, we're not just talking about a little tweak. We're diving deep into how to install a game-changing tool, the Pure Gaming Magisk module. Get ready to say goodbye to lag and hello to a truly immersive gaming experience. One of the most exciting aspects of the Pure Gaming module is its integration with Stratosphere. Now, Stratosphere isn't just a fancy name. It's a powerful feature that allows you to choose from different performance profiles tailored for various gaming scenarios. Whether you're playing a fast-paced action title, a graphically demanding RPG, or a competitive online multiplayer game, Stratosphere likely has a profile to optimize your device specifically for that type of gameplay. First and foremost, you'll need a rooted Android device with Magisk Manager already installed. Launch the Magisk Manager app on your Android device. Navigate to the Modules section. Once you find the zip file, select it by tapping on it. Once installation is done, tap on the Reboot button. The Pure Gaming module also requires you to manually install an accompanying APK file. Congratulations, you've successfully installed both the Pure Gaming Magisk module and its accompanying APK. After your device has fully booted up and the app is installed, you should now have the Pure Gaming enhancements active on your system. You might find a new app in your app drawer related to the module, or its settings might be integrated into your device's system settings. Take some time to explore and familiarize yourself with the available options, especially the Stratosphere profiles. As mentioned earlier, you'll find the direct download links for both the Pure Gaming Magisk module zip file and the APK file conveniently located in the video description below. Make sure to grab them from there. That wraps up our detailed guide on installing the Pure Gaming Magisk module. We're confident that this module will significantly enhance your mobile gaming experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more awesome Android customization tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments which games you're most excited to try with the Pure Gaming module. Thanks for tuning in and happy gaming!